Hello, my friends. If you've ever had to replace your boat's windshield, you know how expensive it can be, even for a small open boat. However, if you're a bit of a handyman, you can easily make one yourself for a fraction of the cost. So let's check it out. To get started, you will need a piece of plexiglass or polycarbonate, a tape measure, masking tape, a Dremel-type rotary tool, a heat gun, some cut-off wheels for rotary tool, gloves, sandpaper 1200, and a small gas torch. Start by taking measurements as accurately as possible. Remove the protective layer and apply masking tape to the sides. This will allow you to transfer your measurements for cutting and bending. Carefully transfer the measurements of your windshield onto the masking tape. Mark the fold line and the top cut line of the windshield if you want to give it an angle. Use masking tape to mark where you will make your cut on each side. To get the straightest possible cut, install a cutting guide. A simple, straight piece of wood will suffice. Secure the piece of wood with clamps without tightening them excessively. Using the rotary tool equipped with a cut-off wheel, carefully cut the plexiglass following the piece of wood. Proceed gradually so as not to overheat the plexiglass, which could cause it to warp. In my case, I then turn the sheet over to finish cutting the other side. Once the cut is complete, even out the edges if necessary with the rotary tool. Once both sides have been cut, remove any dust from the plexiglass sheet so that you can work with a clean surface. Using the marks you made earlier, start marking the fold line. To do this, use a rapid square and transfer the measurement to the other side of the plexiglass onto a piece of masking tape. Then position the plate between two wooden boards with the fold line aligned with the edge of the boards. Once everything is in place, remove the masking tape at the fold and secure the assembly with clamps. Now we come to the crucial moment. Using a heat gun, carefully heat the fold. Hold the heat gun between 3 and 5 inches from the surface and do not stay in the same place. The idea is to heat the plexiglass evenly, but without overheating it. After a few minutes, the plexiglass will soften and you will begin to see the plexiglass sheet bend. Continue until you reach the desired angle. Then let the plexiglass cool for a few minutes. Repeat the exact same process on the other side until you reach the ideal bend angle. After a few minutes, you will have a nearly finished windshield with 2 bends and a beveled top. To obtain a nice finish on the edges, sand the cut area with 1,200 grit sandpaper. Be careful not to scratch the surface of the windshield. Finally, here's a little tip to restore the shine on the edge of the windshield. Use a small gas torch and pass the flame over the edges. You will quickly see a smooth, shiny finish appear. Now you need to locate the position of the mounting screws. To do this, put the windshield in place, then apply transparent adhesive tape to the base of the windshield. This will allow you to locate the position of the screws for drilling. Before drilling, leave the adhesive tape in place to prevent cracking. Use a drill bit specially designed for plexiglass, or at least a carbide drill bit. Drill all the holes carefully. Repeat the same operation for the sides if necessary, replacing the windshield. Then drill the last holes. Once the holes have been drilled, all that remains is to attach the windshield. To do this, use appropriate screws and, above all, washers with a rubber part to avoid cracking the plexiglass. The washers also allow a small space for water to drain. Tighten all the screws gradually without over-tightening them, and you're done. There you go. After about 2 hours of work, you now have a new windshield that costs you a fraction of the asking price and features your own design. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools.